Namaste student, myself Dr. Kundan Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Agattantra and Viti Vaidya, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Students, from last few lectures we are studying the vegetable poisonings. In today's lecture we further extend our topic of vegetable poisoning, and the next poison is opium. The opium are the class of drug naturally found in the opium, that is opi plant, and that works in the brain to produce variety of effects, including the relief of pain with many of these drugs. Opioids can be prescription medication often referred to as painkiller, or they can be so-called street drugs such as heroin. The poison in this group are known as the seminiferous or narcotic poison because they are used to lesser pain and induce sleep. The important poison in this group is opium. Opium is dried juice obtained by incision of the unripe capsule of white poppy or Paper somniferum. When the capsule is still on the plant, it is dark brown or black, has peculiar smell and bitter taste. Active principle. Its activity is done by phenanthrene and isoquinoline group of alkaloid. Alkaloid classified as phenanthrene or isoquinones. The mechanism of action. It depresses the cortex, respiratory and cough centers in the medulla, but stimulate the vagus and vomiting centers. Then sign symptoms. Poppy seeds are actually non-poisonous. Poisoning occurs due to the ingestion of poison, that is opium, or its alkaloid or injection of morphine. The poison acts on the central nervous system, causing first a stimulation and later depression, followed by necrosis. That is, the effect can be described on the three stages. That is, first of all, stage of excitation, then second is stage of stupor, and third is stage of necrosis. First is stage of excitement, where there is the increasing sense of well-being, increased mental activity, flushing of face, laughter, and sometimes hallucination. It is also create rapid heart rate. The stage is absent if the dose taken in large amount. Then second stage is stage of stupor or depression. The stage of excitement soon followed by weariness, headache, nausea, giddiness, a sense of weight in the limbs. The pupils are contracted, face and limbs sinus, and an itching sensation felt all over the skin. The pulse and respiration are almost normal. Then third is stage of necrosis. The patient passes into the deep coma from which he cannot be aroused. The pain are contracted. The pupils are contracted to pinpoint and do not react to light. The blood pressure falls and the breathing is slow, which is gradually diminished in the rate. Then clinical uses and adverse effect. First of all, clinical uses are analgesic, balance anesthesia, cough suppression, and diarrhea. While the adverse effects are, that is, first of all, A for apnea, there is shortness of breathing and allergy. B for blood fall, BP fall and blurring of vision. Then constipation, longer duration. Chronic use leads to tolerance and uh, habitualness. Then dysuria, that is difficulty in micturition. Then diagnosis of opium poisoning. It is done by stage of coma, typical opium smell, then cyanosis, froth at nose and mouth, pinpoint pupils, Chinese stroke breathing, slow pulse, moist cold skin, hypothermia, and depressed respiration, that is 4 to 5 per minute. Then fetal dose. Fetal dose of opium is 2 gram. Then morphine is 200 mg. And for codeine, the fetal dose is 0.5 gram. The fetal dose of pethidine is 1 gram. The fetal period is about 6 to 12 hours. Then postmortem appearance. The external appearance are like the smell of opium, face deeply cyanosed, black postmortem lividity, froth at mouth and nose, and fingernails are blue. Then internal appearance. Here the stomach may show the presence if small, soft, brownish lump of opium. Then trachea and bronchi are covered with froth. Lungs are edematous. Brain has edema and distended urinary bladder. In medical legal aspect, opium is the ideal suicidal poison and commonly chosen for suicide. The death from opium use is so painless that it is the poison of choice for suicidal purpose. It's rarely used for homicidal purposes because of their black color, characteristic odor, and bitter taste. It is sometimes used for infanticide. Also, the accidental poisoning is common for opium poisoning. Then it is used for doping race horses in drug addiction of opium called morphinism or morphinomania. Cultivation and possession of opium is illegal, and imprisonment of up to 6 months or fine up to rupees 1,000 can be uh, can be taken for the cultivation and possession of the opium. Then Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, that is NDPS Act 1985. The act prohibits a person to produce, manufacture, cultivate, possess, sell, purchase, transport, store, and or consume any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance. The act extends to the whole of India. It applies also to all Indian citizens outside the India and to all persons on the ships and aircraft registered in the India. Then of Iphene. Iphene, the Latin name of Iphene is Somniferous, Papiver somniferous. It belongs to family Papibraceae, that is Iphene कुल. वर्ग उपविश्व वर्ग स्वरूप शुभ उत्पत्ति स्थान यूरोप एशिया साउथ अफ्रीका इन इंडिया यूपी बिहार बंगाल एंड मालवा गुण लघु वृक्ष व्यवायी विकासी रस तिक्त कषाय विपाक कटु प्रभाव मादक एंड वीर्य उष्ण कर्म उष्ण वीर्य फॉर उष्ण वीर्य कफवात शामक एंड पित्त प्रकोप प्रभाव. Then Vedana Stapan and Shodhar Karma. Then Kashai leads to Rakta Sambhana Karma. Then Shukra Stambhana and Sweda Janana. Then it dilate the pupils and increase the pressure inside the eye. Okay. Matra, it is about 30 to 125 mg. प्रयोग वात विकार में उपयुक्त. संधिशोथ शरीर के अन्य अंग के शोथ में प्रयोग. वेदना स्थापन, उदरशूल आमाशय शोथ, हृदयशूल प्रतिश्याय इत्यादि व्याधियों में प्रयुक्त. विषम ज्वर, आइफेन शोधन. आइफेन को पानी में घोलकर कपड़े के सहारे से गाड़ लेने से अग्नि पर गाढ़ कर लेने का और उसको अदरक स्वरस की 21 भावनाएं देने पर आइफेन शुद्ध हो जाता है. थैंक यू. Students, today we learn about the opium toxicity. In next lecture, another vegetable poison will be studied. Okay. Thank you.